At 9:30, the numbers hit hard. 2 to 20 years in prison. Say it out loud, and the air in the room changes instantly.
To modify the probation to
until statutory discharge.
And obviously that did not occur, Your Honor, and I don't know the veracity of that situation or not, Your Honor. I don't. But you know, she's presenting herself here to the court right now. She's admitting that once she was released from TDC, that she did not report. So it's just a unique situation. I mean, there is a situation in which there's confirmation that she was actually in prison. This is not a situation in which she just absconded and ignored her obligations to the court, Your Honor. There's not. I guess it's about 8 months or so left for the term of probation, Your Honor, and I think it's just that she was looking for some little reprieve from the court so that she could either continue on probation or consider terminating her unsatisfactorily so that she can go ahead and actually kind of hit truth and get on forward with putting this situation behind her, Your Honor. And I think she also wanted to explain some of the things about the circumstances and also trainings and things that she has received since she was first put on probation, Your Honor.
All right, you want to raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God? All right, you can lower your hand. State your name for the record.
Gloria Marie Gonzalez.
All right, counsel, you may proceed.
Now, you had some things that you wanted to tell the judge about what you've done to change yourself since you were put on probation.
Yes, I did the cognitive thinking. I got 2 trades. I got my license in mechanic. I got my MBAC. I got my GED. And I took every class that I could to change my life. I got full custody of my son. And I just had a setback. I had a job. I was doing everything I was supposed to. I was taking care of my child. I was paying my bills. And I just want to get back to that. He goes back to school on the 18th. And I've already missed so much time with him. So it doesn't matter if it's probation or if it's termination, because I'm going to do it regardless. Mm-hmm. And that's really all I want to say.
Is there anything else that you want to tell the judge
about? And I mean, if it's the 3 years, I did the 3 years, and that's when I changed my life. And right now, being in custody, I'm trying to get to more classes. I'm just trying to do what I can to change my life. And like I said,
almost 13 minutes. This is the human moment. Behind the charges stands a man, a fiancé, and the fight for redemption.
I've learned about my anger. I've learned about the way I was thinking and how I hurt people. And I've taken full responsibility for myself and my actions that I learned. I learned to be productive. And if I would have known that I could have just came here, I would have. And I didn't know that. But I mean, there's no reason why I should be in this situation. There's really no reason why, except that I broke the law, and I'm just ready to take responsibility.
Probation. What is your recommendation? Any objection to the court review and the court summary?
None from the state.
No, Your Honor.
But here's my question. Where have you been?
Where have I been with my son?
Yeah, because I mean, the thing about it is you were released on probation, according to this, November 17th. I'm sorry, released on parole, November 17th, 2024. And after that release, people have been trying to contact you. And what I can tell you is I remember first starting out, probation wouldn't do all of this.
The person that I was on the probation at, I left that situation.
1540. The warning shot lands. Mess up probation, and decades disappear behind bars. No second chances here.
Me, nothing. He didn't let me know anything.
And when did this shooting occur?
It occurred a month ago, or like a month and a half ago. I went to go talk to him and get the rest of my stuff. And as I was leaving, he was trying to keep me there. And when I was walking away, he shot me. And I went ahead and went to the hospital.
All right. And what's his date of birth?
It's April 12th, 91.
All right. I'm going to think about this for a moment. Just give us a moment. Does anybody want to check into her story with this James Oveda?
The state is confused. Was that the probation officer or like who this gentleman is?
He was the one that I was on probation at his house.
That is the residence where you were staying. So your probation had to. He's not your probation officer. This was a suitor?
Yes.
And I guess probation was going there.
Okay. Just have a seat. We're going to unpack these bags, okay? Just give us a moment. Just have a seat. All right. James Toshi, your client, Alexandra Dean, is on Zoom.
Okay. Would you like me to?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. All right, Miss Dean, you need to show your video. All right, Hector Garcia. Oh, I'm sorry, Antonio Garcia Jr. If you'll come forward, please. All right, your attorney's on vacation. Norma, recall this for the 12th.
Of this month?
Yes, August 12th. So that will be your plea deadline date.
Okay.
All right, once you sign the reset form, you're excused.
Okay, thank you.
And thank you for dressing appropriately for court.
Thank you.
Sure. All right, Joel Gonzalez, if you'll come forward, please. Your attorney is currently in jury trial, so we're going to give you a reset. All right, Ms. Ferguson, reset this in 2 weeks, please. All right, so once you sign the reset form, you're excused. All right, who's here on Cody Wade Harris?
Morning, Your Honor. John Gilmore on behalf of Mr. Harris.
All right, if you'll come forward, please. All right, is this an application?
It is, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Morning, how are you?
I'm doing great. How are you doing?
Doing fantastic.
And thank you for dressing appropriately for court.
Thank you very much, man.
All right, guys, on Cody Harris, I don't have the acknowledgement of discovery.
We believe that we had filled one out last setting, but I can reprint.
Oh, no, they'll just need to pull it. Do you all have it? All right, the court is calling 2024 CR 0490 State versus Cody Wade Harris. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Justin Pitlock for the state of Texas.
For the defense?
John Gilmore on behalf of Mr. Harris, Your Honor.
And are you Mr. Harris?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
I have you.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Harris, did you review the application for deferred adjudication or community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, I have, Your Honor.
Did you sign it?
Yes, I have, Your Honor.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you weigh the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it, sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand your charges possession of a controlled substance penalty group 1 4 grams to 200 grams, that's a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in, the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering this plea you were giving up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do believe that, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do believe that, Your Honor.
Mr. Harris, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea bargain agreement, the state recommends deferred adjudication. There's to be restitution of $60 to the Bexar County Laboratory for testing. There's to be restitution of $60 to Texas Department of Transportation. There is to be a judgment satisfied in 2025 CC 000685. A TAP evaluation. Follow those recommendations in MRT. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No motions, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 4 years and there be 100 hours of community service restitution. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charge, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, Your Honor.
State any evidence.
State offers states Exhibit 1 and all attachments at this time, Your Honor.
No objections to that, Your Honor.
All right, state you may be excused.
Thank you, Judge.
Did you review the waiver stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call in, the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states Exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. All right, after reviewing states Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
We are, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Just very briefly, Your Honor. Mr. Harris is a 51-year-old farmer who made a serious error in judgment 2.5 years ago. He's made a lot of significant life changes since then. Most importantly, he met his significant other, Jessica, who's present in the courtroom in the red back there, Your Honor. She's been a positive influence on his life, positive influence on getting him through this and following all conditions of release. They're actually getting married in September as well, and they both look forward to getting this behind them and to proving to the court that Mr. Harris can be a contributing member to society.
All right. So if you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be?
Good.
All right. So when's the last time you used?
Probably the day of.
Right. And so you went into the hospital, and what happened? Because it shows here you were arrested.
I don't recall any of it. You know, I remember leaving, and that was it.
All right. So how do you maintain sobriety?
I do a lot of work.
All right. And what do you do?
a farm, a member